pipes out.
If you don't want to be like Sekita, then don't watch this video.
Superb from Sekita! Oh my!
Going up with one hand and tapping it to his guy, Yamauchi, out of the middle.
Number 1. One hand set. Get yourself under the ball quickly. 2. Jump vertically. If you jump behind the ball, you can only set forward. 3. In overhead pass, the elbow is outside the body. But in one hand set, the elbow is inside the body when you want to send the ball. 4. You must push the ball and straighten the hand completely. 5. Use all 5 fingers. 6. Don't hit the ball with your fingertips. 7. Keep the wrist tight. 8. When you want to set to zone 4, put your hand and fingers under the ball. 9. Push the ball towards zone 4. Push behind the ball for shoot set. 9. For short and quick set, get under the ball and hit it. Don't push the ball. 10. To send to zone 2, bend the elbow and push the ball upwards and slightly back. Exercise for one hand set.